Okay.
Alright, let's see it.
I see.
I'm watching you, my man. Now I'm watching Connor try his Heelys. Let's see it. Ooh, well, almost.
Cool.
Nice. I'm a little close. Let's watch Casey a little bit here. Whoa, good job, Case. Oh, good thing you're wearing those things.
Like I was like.
Oh.
Yeah, let me get you to this chair. Okay. Give me that chair so I can go.
I should be helping, shouldn't I? You can't push him while he's on the ground. Alright, let's see one more Heely. Casey, why don't you have a seat? Let's see, Con. Not over the... Oh, well, almost. Alright, I think we might be done.
No, I'm not done. He's done.